So hello guys, welcome back to our new YouTube video. In this video we will discuss about home insurance in detail. So let's jump into the video. Home ownership is a significant milestone in one's life, representing a sanctuary where memories are made and families thrive. Home our safeguarding this haven from unforeseen risks and potential disaster is a responsibility that should not be overlooked. This is where home insurance plays a crucial role in providing financial protection and peace of mind to homeowners. Home insurance, also known as home owners insurance or property insurance, is a comprehensive coverage designed to mitigate the financial impact of various risks that may threaten our residents. These risks can range from natural disasters such as fires, floods, and earthquakes to unforeseen events like theft or liability for accidents that occur on the property. In essence, home insurance serves as a safety net, offering financial assistance to repair or rebuild a home and replace personal belongings in the event of covered perils. It goes beyond mere property protection by extending coverage to personal liability, medical expenses for injuries that occurs on the premises, and additional living expenses if a home becomes temporarily uninhabitable. Understanding the nuances of home insurance is essential of homeowners seeking to secure their investment and provide a stable environment for their families. As we delve into the intricacies of home insurance, we will explore the various types of coverage available, factors influencing policy costs, and the importance of tailoring insurance plans to individual needs. Ultimately, a well-informed approach to home insurance empowers homeowners to navigate the uncertainties of home ownership with confidence and resilience. Medical payment coverage. What it covers: medical expenses for guests who are injured on your property regardless of fault. Coverage limit generally has a limit compared to liability coverage. Schedule percent property. What it covers: provide additional coverage for high value items like jewelry, art, or collectibles that may exceed the limits of standard personal property coverage. Flood insurance. What it covers: protects against damage caused by flooding, which is not typically covered by standard home insurance policies. Coverage limit: federally regulated if the property is in a designated flood zone. Earthquake insurance. What if covers damage caused by earthquakes, as standard home insurance policy usually exclude this type of damage. Coverage limit varies based on the policy and location. Umbrella insurance. What it covers: offers additional liability coverage beyond the limits of your standard home insurance policy. Coverage limit typically provides higher limits and extend coverage to various liability claims. It's important to carefully review and understand the terms, conditions, and coverage limits of your home insurance policy to ensure it adequately meets your needs. Additionally, consider consulting with an insurance professional to tailor a policy that suits your specific circumstances. In conclusion, home insurance plays a crucial role in safeguarding one of the most significant investment individuals make their homes. as we navigate the uncertainties of life. Unforeseen events such as natural disasters, accidents, or thefts can pose significant threats to our homes and belongings. Home insurance provides a financial safety net, offering protection against these risks and ensuring that homeowners can rebuild and recover in the aftermath of a covered incident. So guys, thanks for watching this video.